My name is Ifunanya, as you already know.
Ifunanya.
I am an only child.
Oh. Well,
I lost my father while I was still a child.
Hey. Okay.
We are actually from Amankwe. And my mother relocated to Onuoha after my father's death. His name is Ichie Udemba.
You have unleashed a goddess upon the earth. From your womb, a radiant star was born, illuminating the world with her beauty and love. Thank you so much. Thank you for bringing another child to me.
The bond both of you share is mutual. Each time I see you together, I understand the meaning of true feelings, true love. I give you my blessings and support.
Thank you so much. Thank you for accepting me, not just as a prospective son, but also as a son. I brought these to you. Yes. To say thank you.
Thank you, son.
You're welcome. And please, take good care of you for my help. We'll be on our way now.
Thank you for all the gifts.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yay! Nne! Adam! Hi! You've been smiling to yourself since. Eh? Why are you smiling? Is it because of the food stuff Afunwa brought for us?
Mama, do you realize that we haven't gone to the market for a long time now?
Okoli, that is because he has been supplying us with food stuff. May the gods bless him.
You see, Mama, do you know why I'm so excited? That's because he has finally agreed to take me to his father.
Eh?
Yes. Finally.
That means the marriage rites will soon be done.
Yes, Mama.
Yeah.
Yes, Mama. Mama, I am so excited. I cannot contain my joy. I can't wait to meet him. And I have this feeling that he will like me.
Who will not like you? Who will not like a beautiful creature like you? You know, sometimes I'll just sit and be thanking the gods for giving me such a beautiful daughter.
Mama, don't flatter me, please. Don't.
I'm not. You know I don't like flattery. I'm telling you the truth. You are a beautiful child.
Thank you, Mama.
I know you will like what I'm trying to cook. Afunwa brought a lot of roasted bushmeat. I know how much you love to eat bushmeat.
You don't mean it.
I mean it. A lot of bushmeat.
I cannot wait to eat it, Mama.
And I cannot wait to be a grandmother.
Mama, take it easy. Let me get married first.
Of course you're getting married soon.
I can't wait.
Son. No. Well, no. Ada?
No.
Yeah, well. No. Hey! Tata ụbọchị ọma. Ụbọchị malụ mma. Ewu! Ewu! Aṅụli eju m obu taa. Gee m ntị. My heart is filled with joy, and I am a fulfilled man today. My daughter, you are the first maiden my son has had to bring into this compound. Make no mistake about it. He has girls around him, swirling around him on account of his status. But at a point in time, I started wondering if my son ever looks around him to see girls. Little did I know that he already had you. Oh! Kita come for life off. When I say no, you're welcome.
Thank you, Nai.
You're welcome. No.
Ifunanya here has been waiting to see you.
Oh.
And I know she's happy.
Interesting.
Yes.
Interesting. I am Obuefia Manze. I am his father. This is my family. So I'm welcoming you to this family.
Thank you.
Son, I am proud of you. Nekena chalugo babata. Afodimpa. Afogono gimie. Ifo abogo ifu ukwu ye. Feel free. This is your home.
Thank you.
That is the first kitchen where you can fry your gari and all that. This is the main kitchen, the main engine room. All the food we eat here is cooked there. If you go in there, you will see every conceivable foodstuff. In fact, you should even go there now. Prepare something for us to eat. Because this is a festive occasion.
Okay.
Son. Mechie gị ọnụ. Ịkpọbatala ezigbo ive. Ịba ive eji ama nwaanyị dị mma. Nwaanyị azụrụ azụ n'ụlọ. Isi abanye. Tell the woman to enter the kitchen. She enters with alacrity, meaning she knows what to do in the kitchen. Meaning she's a good cook. If she was somebody that was not well trained at home, she wouldn't enter the kitchen so willy-nilly. She will hesitate. Huh? I'm proud of you. Huh?
Thank you,
Ah. Imukwanya?
Mom.
Aha, kula otonu. Hey.
No.
The tool of God.
Hi.
Yeah, how you guys heading to?
Greetings, Ugo.
Greetings.
My good
Where are
friend.
you, Oma?
I'm actually seeing her off.
In that case, let's see her off together.
Huh? No. I know you're going to my hut. Just go and wait for me. I will join you very soon.
Let's see her off. We'll return to the hut together.
Ugochukwu.
I'll be at the front.
Okay, after you.
Thanks.
Go with something else.
Ugochukwu, my good friend. I can see you are enjoying your food.
Afunwa, when are you going to pay the marriage rights?
Hey.
Well,
Ugochukwu, I am going to discuss that with my father very soon.
please make it soonest.
Ugochukwu, are you the one getting married? Or get one and no wine?
Afunwa, stop it. Food is very important. For 7 years now, I have not eaten occasion food. In fact, I have not eaten marriage food.
Right.
Do you know that marriage food is more sweet than this normal food? There is kind of aroma, the taste. I want to start it in your own. Please, break this record for me.
Ugochukwu.
Is that more food?
More food?
Yes, please.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Yes, there is food. Look behind you. Yes. No, this side. Yes, look at food. It's everywhere here is food. You can eat it. Eat the hot. Take it. It is food.
Afunwa, are you not insulting me?
Eh?
See, do you know if I did not eat, where will I see the strength and wisdom? Ugochukwu is full of wisdom. It's because of food.
Hey! Ugochukwu, my good friend. Okay, fine. No problem. Enjoy your food. Eat well. Eat well.
But when will I find my own love?
You're finding love?
Yeah.
Ugochukwu, this is your love. Yes, this is your love. In me is your love. Continue to eat. You have it in front of you. You can have it at a platter of gold.
Afunwa, you are beginning to insult me.
Hey.
Yes, you are beginning to insult me. The wisdom man. Ugochukwu, the wisdom man. You are beginning to insult me, but it's okay. Please, go inside and get more food for me.
Exactly, that is your love.
Mama. Mama.
You're so happy.
Let me help you.
What is the good news?
Mama. Afunwa's father likes me a lot. And he has accepted me to marry Afunwa. Mama, that is not all. He also promised to double whatever my bride price will cost. Yes. So it's not left for Afunwa to decide when he's officially coming so that the days can be fixed.
How do you know bread? I have a lot of new wrappers. I will wear one of them that day. There's this bead I inherited from my mother. Very beautiful bead. On that day, I will adorn you with that bead.
Really?
I'm beginning to imagine how beautiful and gorgeous you will look.
Mama, I cannot wait. I can't wait to be his wife.
Oh, I'm so happy for you.
Thank you, Mama.
I'm so happy, my daughter. I'm trying to boil unele for us to eat.
Okay, don't worry, let me do it. I will just...
use oil and salt. Hey! I cannot wait to be a grandmother. You said you're waiting for you to get married. This is not the marriage right now.
Mama, wait. Wait. Let me marry first.
You're married, you know.
Thank you, Mama.
I'm so happy for you.
Same here. Me too, I'm happy.
Chiku, I've been waiting for you here.
You are waiting for me here?
Yes.
Is this my house?
I know it's not your house. I saw you going to Afunwa's house. So I definitely know you will pass this route on your way home. That's why I'm waiting for you here. How is he doing?
Choma, if you want to know how Afunwa is doing, you are not far away from his house.
Chiku, you know now. You know he will not want to see me. That's why I've been begging you to help me talk to him.
I will tell you the truth. You are not his type. As a matter of fact, he just introduced his wife-to-be to his father today.
Oh!
That is the good news.
Even I will not give up on him. Even if he's married.
See, Toma, I just ate a well-prepared meal. I would not like you to disturb me with a talk like this. Because I don't want to be hungry anytime soon.
Please. I beg you, Ugochukwu, help me.
Come. Come. What the gods join together, no man shall separate.
This is love. Love comes with pain and happiness. This is the pain part. It will pass. Nothing lasts forever. I will endure. Hey, marriage. Hey.
Yes, and join it with this. This place gets to that Oturupa tree over there.
The one down there?
Oh, yes. Yes. You can do farming here, large scale. Or maybe do palm plantation. Yes. While the other one remains as your homestead.
No. This land is very big.
Oh, yes, it has to be.
Thank you so much, Nai. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes. Yes. Come on. You see, we'll now have a meeting with our kingsmen so that they set the date for your marriage right.
Thank you very much.
That's what makes you a man.
Olugo, Alright. Thank you very much, man.
Hey,
Thank you.
by the way, that other one is close to the homestead. If you like, you can build the house for your family there. Huh?
Man, this is big. Thank you very much, man.
That's to be big.
Thank you. Thank you, man. I love this.
Ugochukwu. Before you ask, see this food is more than enough for 4 people. So I want you and Afunwa to eat it together.
Choma, you talk too much. Give me the food.
Not so much.
Give me the food. You talk too much. I will deliver your message to him.
Ugo. Please don't forget to eat it together with him. Okay? Most importantly, tell Afunwa that I, Choma Obogu, loves him so.
Choma, it's okay. If you make me angry, I will tell you.
Hey! Ugochukwu! Oh, Dimba! Dude, I'm sorry. You don't need to be angry. Calm down.
It's okay. Go back to your hut. I will deliver your message to him.
I trust you will.
Go back to your hut.
Hey! Yes. Secured. Guaranteed. Don't worry, when I get married to Afunwa, I will reward you handsomely. Thank the gods. Guaranteed and secured.
Good Chuku.
Afunwa, you are very lucky to own a land as big as that. Please tell a way to adopt a poor orphan like me.
Come on, Ugochukwu. Ugochukwu, you're my friend. A very close one at that. Whatever I have also belongs to you.
Okay.
Yes. About this food. Ugochukwu. Who gave you this food?
Oh, you know Choma, you admire. She's the one that gave me this food. And she also said that she will tell you that she loves you so much. Yeah? See the gift.
Ugochukwu. Choma gave you this food to give to me. You know I will not eat this food. And you collected it.
Afunwa, stop that. Afunwa, stop that. I know you will not eat the food. But I collected it on your behalf. Eh? Look at food now.
Eat.
Please tell the maidens to bring drinking water. Afunwa. Hey. Afunwa. When are you cultivating on the farmland?
Soon.
Very soon. Very soon. Wonderful. Yeah.
Ugochukwu. How was it? Did you eat the food?
Is that why you are waiting here?
Yes. We agreed you will get back to me. Yeah?
Today that we brought tasteless food, you want me to perform magic? Listen, my advice for you is to go and learn how to cook first. Before you look for man. Thank the God that he did not even eat it.
Ugochukwu, from what I am understanding, you ate the food I gave you to share with Afunwa alone?
That is not the problem.
How?
He refused to eat it. And you know me, Ugochukwu, Ugonwa, I cannot allow food to waste.
Hey! Hello, Emeka. Ugochukwu, what is the way forward now?
Thank you for that question. The way forward now is for you to let him be. Let him be.
What will I do now? He really needs to love me. Hi.
Nke Ogolo. Nkudia. Hey! This is by Master Tapper.
9.
Ah! I have seen that you're a well-trained girl. Your parents trained you, brushed you. Ow! Yes. No?
Thank you, 9.
Yes. Tell me about yourself and your family.
Okay, 9. My name is Ifunanya, as you already know.
Ifunanya.
I am an only child.
Oh.
I lost my father when I was still a child.
Hey.
We are actually from Amankwe. And my mother relocated to Onuoha after my father's death. His name is Udemba.
Did you say your father's name is Ichie Udemba?
Yes, 9. Ichie Udemba.
Hey. Ezioku. What is your mother's name?
Her name is Akune Udemba.
Akune. Fair complexioned Akune.
Yes, 9.
Ah! Asengikwa. Take you say abukalo oku. Ola sikwa. Kunye, naba.
Is everything alright?
Seba poa, poa.
Is everything alright?
Yeah.
No. Hello.
Yeah. Utakagi. Take this girl back to her father's house. No marriage. Did you hear me? No marriage!
Nai, Ogini. Nolita, what happened? What is it? Ifunanya?
Ifunanya? Ifunwa? What is happening? Huh? It's my friend and way that Ifunwa is in this mood. Huh? How can Ifunanya be angry? What is happening? Let me go and tell Ifunwa. No.
Why are you blocking my way?
Do I need to answer that question? Leave Afunwa alone, you husband snatcher! He is mine and mine alone!
Get out of my way.
And if I don't?
For the last time. Get out of my way.
I said I will not get out of my way!
Ah! What just happened?
Take the course you caught me unawares! Ah. I'll deal with you next time! Ah!
Ogini! Ogini! Ifunanya! Hey! He's after her. Or did she have a fight with someone? Ifunanya mom! No! Ogini! Ogini!
Nine, what is going on? What did you tell Ifunanya? Why did she run off like that?
How would I know? Just remember what I told you. You will not marry that girl.
What?
Son, that girl does not befit your status. Stop looking in her direction.
Father, you know how much I love Ifunanya. That is the only girl I have ever loved. And I would want to get married to her.
Well, I don't know about that. Son, that girl does not come from a good family. Her background is not just right. Look for another girl. In fact, I will have to step into this matter and enter the search for a good girl for you. Yes. Yes.
Wait. I do not understand. What are you saying? You're confusing me.
What don't you understand? It's clear. You no longer have my approval to marry the girl. Get another girl.
Onye na ebe a?
Onye?
Nne.
Eh?
Nne.
Oh, no. Thank the gods you're here. I was beginning to get worried. Since she came back home yesterday, she has been very unhappy. And I knew she went to your place. Nambiko, what happened?
Nne, I do not know myself.
Yeah.
That is why I am here to speak to her. I left her with my father while I went to attend to some other things. By the time I returned, she was leaving and did not speak to me.
Hey.
I do not know what happened.
Did you ask your father?
He's not willing to speak to me either.
Yeah. Okay. You will go home. When she's a bit calm, I'll talk to her. I'll ask her to know if anything happened.
No, please, you have to help me.
I will.
Biko.
I will.
I will come back to check on her.
Yeah, but try and ask your father what. Huh?
Thank you, Nina.
Oh. What is wrong with this daughter of mine? At least she should talk to me. Let me know what happened. Ifu,
can't you see? I'm beautifully and naturally endowed. Now tell me, what is it that Ifunanya have that I don't have?
Why can't you love me?
Chama, I wonder how a full-grown lady like you would leave her father's house and be flirting herself to a man along the road. Are you not shameless? And yes, Ifunanya has lots of qualities that you do not have. She's well trained. She will never do such a thing. She's well mannered. I will go on and on to talk about her good qualities.
Why are you this mean to me? I've tried everything humanly possible to make you look my way. Please. I really love you. Just give me a chance.
Chioma, let this be the last time you will stop me to do such a thing again. Else, you will see the other side of me.
But I love you. What can I do to make him look my way? What will I do? I really love him.
I was on my way to your house yesterday. I saw Ifunanya running home. When I asked your father, he said that you went after her. What is the issue?
Ugochukwu, I don't know what transpired between them. I don't know what happened. I went to the farm to attend to something urgently. On my return, my father looked into my eyes and said, I am not going to get married to Ifunanya. And when I asked Ifunanya, she dashed out on me.
Afunwa, that simply means that your father said something that triggered her. Huh?
That is the problem. I want to know what happened. Ifunanya is not willing to talk to me. My father insists I am not going to get married to her. Yes. He even said to me that I should seek another girl to marry.
Afunwa, my friend, something is wrong somewhere. But before I continue to give you a good advice as your close friend, please go inside and bring food.
Ugochukwu, respect yourself. We are talking something serious and you're talking about food. What is it?
You and I know that food gives wisdom.
I do not understand. Ugochukwu, what does food got to do with this? Respect yourself.
Afunwa, I'm sorry. You could have told him that the maidens have not prepared anything. But it's okay. What do we do now? What do we do?
Ifunanya, I don't understand what is going on. Afunwa came here, but you refused to see him. Okoli, did anything happen when you went to give his father palm wine yesterday?
Mother, please. I cannot answer all of these questions. I wish to be left alone.
Left alone, what? When you have not eaten anything since last night. Are you okay?
I am fine. Mother, I want to ask you a question.
Go on.
Did you ever have a problem with Afunwa's father?
Hey. Hey. I have a problem with his father. Somebody I have never met. Someone I don't know. How can I have issues with someone I don't know?
Afunwa's father is a very wealthy man in Amengwe.
Ifunanya, there are so many rich men in Amangwe. How will I know the particular one?
It's fine. I'll be inside.
Yeah. What is happening?
Son, hurting yourself does not solve anything. You will not marry that girl, and you know it.
No. Why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this now? Father, you know I love this girl. You love this girl so much. You love her as your own daughter you never had. What's changed?
A lot. Many things changed. Yesterday is not like today. Morning is different from evening. Many things changed. Have you asked yourself why somebody from Amankwe will leave Amankwe, go to another village, go to a different place to sojourn? Have you? Not to talk about her witch of a mother who played a role in the death of her father.
No. Where are you getting this information from? Where is this story coming from?
I speak of what I know.
These are lies. Man, this family are good. They love me. I know they love me so much.
Why won't they love you? Think. They will love somebody from a well-to-do family. Somebody from a rich family. A prosperous family. Somebody from a family everybody looks up to in this place. They will love somebody they look up to pull them up from their morass, from their dungeon. Yes, they will love you because you're like a high prize, the prize they're looking up to capture. Yes, they will love you. They will clamor for you. They will grab you. Think.
No. Please. I beg you in the name of the gods. I need you to reconsider. I love Ifunanya so much.
I have made my decision and it's final.
Bikonne, I need your help. I am no longer comfortable. Till now, she is not ready to speak to me. What is going on?
Go. I'm tired of everything. Eh? Bikonnam, who is your father?
My father is Obuefi Amanze. Namankwe Kingdom.
Onye?
Obuefi Amanze. Is everything alright? No.
Obuefi Amanze is your father?
Yes, Nna. Nna, what is it? Talk to me.
You should be on your way now. Yeah, back in our own. Hey.
Alright, Nna. But please, Nna Biko, help me talk to her.
Oh.
I have missed Ifunanya so much.
Oh. Okputoko. Manze of Amankwe Kingdom is your father. It will not work. Oh yeah, work.
Say what you want to say first. I'm heading to somewhere.
Calm down now, eh? Calm down. I know you don't eat all the food I've been bringing.
You should be thankful that I'm even eating the food. Do you know how to cook?
Wait, I don't know how to cook. But we're busy licking your hands the other day like as if your life depended on it.
Yes, I lick my hand because I don't know how to waste food. I don't waste food at all. Bring food to me.
No problem. I heard Ifunanya and Afunwa are having issues.
When have you turned to monitoring spirit? Stop monitoring people's life. You should be praying to the gods to give you your own husband and not here fooling yourself.
I don't blame you. How am I fooling myself? Anyways, it's still... Ogachukwu, wait first!
So he is the son of Ogbuefi Amanze. What a small world. Now I understand this whole thing better and clearer. My daughter will not marry his son. That will never happen.
Nay. I heard Afunwa's voice.
Yes, he was here. He wanted to see you and talk to you. Are you ready to talk to him now?
Yeah, I don't know.
I think you should. You should see him and discard him. Because this whole thing will not work. But you are not going to marry him.
What are you saying? Why the sudden change of heart? You never mentioned this earlier. Why?
I just mentioned it now. You are not going to marry him. It will not work. Oh yeah, work.
Welcome, my love.
Who gave you access to this compound?
Your father did, as your wife to be. And I brought you this sweet prepared yam, specially prepared by me for you.
I do not want your yam. Leave this compound now.
He said he did not want to. Choma, I'm very sorry for this. Just go home. I will make sure he eats the yam.
Afu, please tell me, what do I need to do for you to recognize my love for you? I really love you. I truly love you from the deepest part of my heart.
You will do one thing for me.
What is that? I'm listening.
Disappear into the thin air. Leave this compound now!
Afunwa.
Leave now!
Afunwa.
What on earth is your problem? Must you always say yes to food? Can't you just say no? What if there is poison inside this food?
Afunwa, even if there is poison in this food, it will not affect me. Because poison have never killed anybody in my family. And it will not start from me. Huh? Sit down, let's eat. Afunwa, sit. Oh. Afunwa. Yeah. White yam, my favorite. Even though Chama don't know how to cook, but everybody can cook white yam. Let's see. Oh, Papa. Dukuya. Water.
I know you get tired.
I am tired.
Okay.
I don't want to run.
Let me back. Yes. Come on, let me back you.
You will fall me.
Why are you always narrating me? Let me back you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Careful.
Oh! Did you see? Easy!
No, you cannot carry me. You will fall me.
Trust me.
But I trusted you. You almost fell.
Right, let's go.
Your touch, your smile, it's all I need tonight. Oh, baby, but the ways of the eye track won't us find them.
Can you just relax?
Whispers of hope, shadows that won't shade. The walls between our parents left a bit of blame. But still I'm reaching out, hoping you can feel me. This forbidden love, yet painfully real. Ifunanya give the love more. Ifunanya more. Give the love more. Ifunanya more. Give the love more.
I went to your house and I said you went to the stream. So I decided to wait for you here.
Do you have to hide here?
I just wanted to scare you a little bit.
You're scared of leaving the light out of me.
I am sorry. Come
Okay, so...
Let me help you.
No.
Please.
No.
Come on, let me just help you. Biko. Thank
If
you.
Insist.
And... Let's go.
Don't do this again.
Oh, na atọ n'ogo.
Na atọ m. Nni atọka.
Uncle, nri akwọrọ aka wee sie.
Oh. Mighty.
Neisika. Yes. I noticed it the first time you entered that kitchen. So I was expecting something like this.
Thank you, Nai. I'm glad you like it.
We love it.
Yes, we love it.
Damn. Yeah, man.
No.
Oh?
Hey, Chagum.
One.
Thank you, Nai. No. What is happening?
Nebe.
Have you joined my father?
Which one is joining your father? Do I know who your father is?
No, I know you know my father.
Listen, I will advise you not to come here again. Do not come to my compound again because you will not marry my daughter. Kwenanu?
No, what is going on? Speak to me. Somebody should talk to me. I am tired. What is happening?
Take this advice from me. Don't ever come here again. Get out of my compound.
No, it's me, Avo. Hey. This is the same thing my father said to me. And she just said the same thing. What is going on? What is it that I don't know?
Son, where have you been all this while? Listen. There is no need for this self-inflicted punishment. Out there are hundreds of maidens waiting for you to pick. Life does not begin and end with what's her name? Coming with her.
No. Why do you choose to punish me like this? Why do you choose to cut my happiness short?
Come on, son. Step out of it, okay? There is a guest, beautiful guest waiting for you. Yeah. Cheer up.
No. Who is that?
My love. You must be very tired and hungry. I prepared your favorite meal.
Choma. Who gave you access to this compound?
Oh, your father did. He said I should make myself comfortable.
Let me warn you. If you value your life, I don't want to go out there and come back here and see you in this compound. You better leave.
What have I done? Eh? Oh. My heart. What have I done?
Gochuku, please. This means a whole lot to me. All I want you to do is to go to their hut. Go there and watch everything that is happening. Everything. Everything that is going on in that hut, I need you to watch it closely and bring back a very tangible information to me.
I understand. Don't worry. I will do a perfect job.
Ugochukwu, I am counting on you. You can even pretend to be just find anything, cook up anything. You're a stranger, you're stranded, just find anything, any means to just go into that hut. Please, I need you to bring back information to me.
Afunwa, you know it's a far distance journey. Let me go home and prepare. Don't worry.
That is true.
I will bring good news to you.
Okay, no problem.
Let me go.
But please, don't go to your house and eat. Yes, because I know you. If you go there now and eat now, you will doze off. Please, I am begging. You know how much this thing means to me. Please.
Afunwa, let me start going, I'll get to you.
Okay.
Let me be on my way.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Please be fast, oh. We go run now. Fast now.
Greetings, in there.
Who are you looking for?
I'm traveling to Ubogoro Kingdom, but I'm tired. I need a place to rest. Probably find something to eat and drink.
Aye, that place is far. Oh. Aye, no. Okay. Just make yourself comfortable.
Thank you.
Let me get something for you to eat.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Why?
Yeah,
I brought water for washing your
oh,
hands.
okay, I will do that when I finish eating.
Calm down. Drink anymore. Hey, what kind of a man is this? Feeling so comfortable in a stranger's house. This is strange.
Nah, you cook so well.
Thank the gods.
Thank you so much for the food.
Oh. So after eating, you will be going?
No. I will rest more. You know, Uboguri is a very far distance. I will rest more. Nah, I don't know if the food still, man. The one I will eat on the way.
The food has not finished.
It's okay.
Moreover, it's the last one.
Okay, it's okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
So, in case I am not around when you want to leave, I wish you safe journey.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ugochukwu, are you out of your mind? I don't understand you.
I'm sorry.
You're sorry for what? I asked you to go to that hut and pretend to be a visitor so that you can get to know how Ifunanya is doing, if she's okay or not. Since her mother does not want to allow me to see her or even come close to her. Yeah. And you went there to eat and sleep. I don't understand. So where is the information I said you should get from me?
Afunwa, when I got there, the mother welcomed me. She said I'm coming from a far distant journey.
Hey.
And she offered me food. Do you expect me to say no?
Afunwa, must you always eat? Must you always eat? Ginani or Guinea? What is your problem?
I'm sorry.
You're sorry for what? Everything you're sorry. If they bring food now, you will still eat. What is it?
Afunwa, I know you. Afunwa, so you are doing this thing because of the food you promised me? Don't tell me that. Hope you kept the food for me.
Hey, Shimo.
Afunwa, let's go. I'm sorry, yeah? I'm sorry. Let's go for the food. The food at home.
Food again?
Yes.
Hey,
what is it? Afunwa, let's go.
Ugochukwu, you're such a disappointment.
Thank you.
Must you always be food?
Hey, Joma, let me see your palm. See it. It's written here. It's planted here. Your destiny is in this family.
Oh, like the gods. May the gods be praised.
Good. See what I want, Joma. In this association between you and my son, I want you to take the upper hand. Carry it to another level. Joma, use whatever you have to make him fall madly headlong in love with you. I mean, I can't take the fact that my son is walking all over the place, running all over the place after somebody I am sure he will not marry. I cannot approve that marriage. I haven't approved it. The marriage I want is you and my son. Go after him.
Wefi, thank you very much for supporting me. I, Chioma Ubogu, I will deliver. Yes, I will make him fall madly in love with me. Ona lalola, oneche makam.
That's what I want.
Onerini, oneche makam.
Yes.
Just leave it for me.
Good. Good. I'm already happy. Okay? Hearing you saying all these, they make me feel happy. They make me feel that there is hope at the end of the day. You have the capacity to ensnare him. Go ahead, I support you.
Don't worry, just leave it to me. My name is Chioma. Chimdi Oma.
That's good.
So don't worry, I will do everything possible to get him to me.
Good. Good. I already feel happy with these your promises. And I know I can always count on you. Thank you.
You don't need to thank me, I should be the one thanking you.
I know it will take a lot of time to heal, but she will definitely get over it.
No, I cannot take this anymore. I have to see him. I have to go.
See who? Go where? Ifunanya. Come back here. Ifunanya! Should I follow her? No. She'll come back and meet me here.
Obim, I know you'll be here. I'm sorry. I just couldn't take the shock. Your father said I cannot marry you the very moment I told him who my parents is. I couldn't bear the pain. And my mother says she doesn't even know him.
The same thing happened to me when your mother asked me to tell her who my father is. At that moment, she changed. She chased me out of your compound. She could not allow me to talk to her about you. And my own father is not even giving me a good reason why I shouldn't get married to you.
Same here. These past few days has been the worst days of my life. A day without you. It's so funny. I haven't been myself.
I know. I understand. As if I knew you were going to come to this spot. And I decided to come myself. I just wanted to feel the beautiful memories. I want to feel it again.
So tell me, what do we do now?
Yes. Obi, see, that is the only option we have.
No!
It is best for us. Let's just leave. Let's go and create our world. Have our peace and space. Let's just go, please.
What are you saying? No!
Obi, please. If you truly love me, we need to do this.
My mother would die if she doesn't see me. I am all she's got. No! Please don't say it again.
Obi, I am also the only child. And you know it. Let's just think about this, please. Please. See, I have missed you so much. I have missed you so much that I can't even stand the chance of losing you again.
You are not going to lose me. And I miss you too.
Oh, I see you standing there, so close but far.
I don't want to lose you again, please.
You won't. You will not lose me.
Son, with time you will fall in love with her. I took time to choose the best maiden for you.
No. She is not the best maiden for me. A young maiden who does not have any shame, but constantly throwing herself on a man. Such maiden is not worthy of me.
You will marry her. It takes true love and a lot of courage for a young girl to take the responsibility of going after the man who her heart beats for. Yes.
Very well then. No. Just know that I am not going to get married to this best maiden of yours. I will not.
Afunwa, you will marry her. Love takes time to evolve, and you will, with time, love this girl. Yes. The issue is that you've refused and locked up your heart against this girl. You need to be flexible. You have to be flexible because you know that you don't have a chance with the other girl.
Then give me a reason I should not marry Ifunanya. Nine, give me a reason I should not marry Ifunanya. Else, I will not listen to you.
Ifunanya, why are you doing this to yourself? Afunwa is not the only man. You have other suitors. Pick one.
Mother, do you think it's easy? It's not that easy. Mother, put yourself in my position.
What position? His father had already told you that his son will not marry you. Probably because we are poor. You are not worthy of his son. And today I am telling you that you will not be married into that family.
It is clear to me that you two know each other. And it's best you tell me the reason you do not want me to marry Afunwa. Else, Mother, whatever decision that I make right now, do not blame me for it.
Ifunanya, don't threaten me. Don't try it. My job as your mother is to guide you. And that is exactly what I'm doing now.
Really?
Yes, so.
Okay.
Ebe, where are you going? Ifunanya, come back here.
Do you like what you see?
all these things are to what end?
Do not tell me you are not seeing this beautiful damsel standing right in front of you. I am beautifully dressed for you. My mother gave me these beautiful beads. They are the most expensive you can get anywhere. So tell me, do you not like me? Even a blind man likes me, see?
Of course I can see you, I can see everything.
Okay.
But I'm not attracted to you. Ifunanya is the girl my heart yearns for. Choma, stop allowing my father to mislead you. Because I will never get married to you. I will not.
Do you hate me that much?
Choma, I don't hate you. I just need you to add dignity to your empty skull. Stop fooling around. Stop deceiving yourself. I will never get married to you.
Even a blind man can see my beauty. This is not ordinary. I know that girl used charm on him. And I, Chioma, I will make sure I destroy that charm. Where do you think you're going to?
The last time I checked, I am not answerable to you. So why are you blocking me?
You are answerable to me. Afunwa is mine and mine alone. In case you don't know, let me tell you. His father came to see my people on his behalf. And I am here to tell you to undo the little charm you are using on him, so that he will have time to focus on me and will have a peaceful relationship without him running to you.
Afunwa and I are in love. We are not even forcing it. Whatever business you have with his father is none of my business. Maybe he wants to marry you for himself because he has been a widower for a very long time.
How dare you! Don't you dare!
Listen, don't you ever try this nonsense with me again. Like I said, Afunwa and I are in love. There is nothing you or anyone can do about it.
No! I will undo that charm. Trust me.
Is that what she said?
Yes. I am no longer comfortable with all of this. We just have to go.
What I do not understand is the sudden change of heart by my father towards you. And why our parents do not want us to get married. Something must be wrong somewhere. I know it. I can feel it. Obim,
Yes.
we have to do something fast. Else, our family will know no peace.
I do not know. But what I know is it's time we carry out our plan. Listen, I'm ready now. Let's just go.
You're ready?
Yes.
I'm so happy you finally accepted to go. Obim, we are going to leave this place. Okay? But first, I will have to make some arrangements. Then I will get back to you.
Okay.
Ifunanya,
Yes.
don't worry. Everything will be fine. I promise.
What What I don't understand is the reason why you are in love with someone else and you are disturbing me.
Please reduce your voice. Now calm down. Someone will hear us. Eh? Ugochukwu, please. I need your help. Please help me talk to your friend, Afunwa. Eh? Tell me what I will do to make him look my way. Please. See, I promise, I will give you food. I'll give you oha, onubu, egusi, anyone
You are
you
very
want.
stupid for making that fool statement.
Eh?
Oh, you think I'm a fool? Yeah? You're not insulting me? Yeah? Me, Ugochukwu, yeah? See, let me tell you. My friend is in love with someone else. That is all I can tell you. Do you understand?
I know. Must you tell me that to my face? Ugochukwu, please. I know he is your friend, and you know the right thing I will do that will make him like me. To pay him as you know, because
Chama, listen. The only information I have for you is this. My friend is in love with someone else. Please stop disturbing me.
Hey.
I will shout, oh.
No, don't shout.
I will shout.
Don't shout. Ugochukwu, because help me. Ugo, because Hey. I know it's because I did not carry food today. Why didn't I carry food? Eh? Ugochukwu!
I know you're worried. Yes. I know you're worried, my daughter. Why don't you sit? Sit down. You don't need to worry yourself thinking. He will come around, and very soon.
I sincerely hope so. I don't know what else to do to please him.
You don't need to worry your pretty head. He will come back.
I believe you. I'll be more patient.
Yes. That's it. That's the spirit. That's what I want to hear. Your face is still gloomy. Now you'll be the only person staying in the house. I'll be going out.
Don't stay too long.
It's all right.
Where exactly are we going to? Don't you have a direction?
Of course we have a direction. Obim, I acquired the land some time ago for my plantation.
Okay.
I refuse to tell my father because he is not comfortable with the village where the land is situated. But the good news is this.
Okay.
I have a hut on the land. That is where we are going to.
Okay. How far is it from here?
It's not far, it's just the next village. We are close.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Are you hungry? I have some fruits here.
We cannot eat here. We are still around the village. Let's live here.
That's true.
Let's go.
Yeah. You know they here, people. Huh? I don't understand this daughter of mine. Ifunanya, why now? Eh? Why would she leave home so early? Is it because I have been very lenient with her? I will stop. Today is not even our market day. She didn't do any house chore. Eh? I don't understand though. I hope she did not go to that stupid boy's house. I just hope she did not go there. So go ahead. Let me soup.
This is evening. And he is not back yet. Kedibojal. Where? Where did he go to? The people that returned from the farm did not see him at the farm. So where did he go? Ojelepe. Sorry, Baba. Kakalewa. This is unusual. Ewe. Oh, Chioma.
Great season 9.
No. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you, Wavy.
I see. As for him?
Oh yes, Nai. I especially made this for him.
I have not seen him. I don't know where he is. I actually came out to go to Gochuku to ask for his whereabouts. But
This is strange.
yes. Take the food to his house.
I will, Nai.
Where is he?
Hey.
Ugochukwu.
Now you're with me.
Yes.
Good day, sir.
Thank the gods I met you here. Huh? I've been looking for you.
Nai, I was at a Jofo place, the Pawantapa.
As you know, Ugochukwu. Sometimes I believe that you're under a curse. Eh? With this your food thing. All the time food. If you're not eating food, you are talking about food. If you're not talking about food, you are dreaming about food. Food. Eh? Anyway.
Iche, but food is life.
Gochuku, let me not go into the argument with you.
Okay.
I'm looking for my son, your friend. Huh? He left house and up till now I haven't seen him. So I'm wondering if you could lead me to where I would see him.
Nai, Afunwa is my friend. I have all the information about him.
So,
Yes.
let it out.
But Iche, before I met you, I was on my way to go and get food. I know you are so wealthy. You have a lot of food at home. Please offer me some.
Ugochukwu. There is no problem about that. Eh? Food? You will eat to your satisfaction in my house. Just follow me and you will eat. Provided you give me the information concerning my son.
No problem, Ogbuefi. No problem.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
Let's go.
You have the information. Anọ m n'obi ọgaranya. You see? Ifugo ibe na be Ogbuefi me ifu Ogbuefi. No, Ogbuefi. I am so filled now that I don't even think I can go home. I feel like sleeping here, Ogbuefi.
Not in my house. Not in my house. Go to your house and sleep. Did I not tell you I was looking for your friend, my son, who has not returned to the house since morning?
Hey, you mentioned it earlier. Hey,
I am waiting.
Ogbuefi, why you? The only information I have about your son, my friend, is that he has a beautiful maiden in the neighboring village that he wants to marry.
Is that all?
And that is it.
Bia?
No, Ogbuefi.
No,
Ogbuefi, also on the Bamon.
You are mad. You are insane. What's wrong with you? I have been expecting you to tell me where my son is. My son who has not returned to me since morning. And you are talking rubbish.
Ogbuefi, why you? I have not seen your son. I'm not with him.
Hey! It's not getting me. Jack and Abba. Hi! Ogini. Kedu den soku na nkapu de ba? Eh? Odu ke elu. Akpakpuru efi ka ogini. Kedu di mmadụ dị ya? Wakansi butala n'ofia nri to give me the information I needed. Olijani call him for Solia Jebe. Hi. Kedu, where is this boy?
What is this? I'm tired. Ifunanya and Afunwa, come back to me. I've searched everywhere. Nobody seems to have seen her today. Meanwhile, she left since morning. Gods of our land, please help me. Please bring her back. I am a poor widow. I don't want to lose my daughter. I'm still believing that you are coming back today. Oh. Onuoha, come back. Hey. Chimo.
This is very unlike him. Why haven't I seen him for 2 days now? The seer said he is fine. Where will I find him?
Ogbuefi!
Who is that unguarded fool? Calling my name without respect.
Ogbuefi, Onuoha. Where is my daughter? Kedunwam.
Where's my daughter? I should be asking you. Where is my daughter? Where is my son? My son who left this place 2 days ago. And I've been searching for him since. Kedebono! Where is my daughter?
Ebonyano, your greed made your son to leave you. Nekwanya, you see my daughter, I cannot trade her for anything in this life. If anything should happen to her, if Amankwa, it will not contain us.
Nekomanya, you do not come to my house and threaten me. You see, Adukwagimma, Iyebagala. Eh? Ibatabem na etiobono. Ogbuefi, na gini mel. Nwanyi dika gi. Na gbasa ngada anyu mambele. Wele kwa nwayo. Choko onwego. Simi nekwa na mokolo. Your daughter is not worthy of my son.
Okay. If I don't see my daughter, we will know who is worthy and who is not.
Wanya, sebapo.
Eh?
I think this sebapo before I unleash my anger on you.
Ogbuefi, you will not unleash anything. I know you. Ondina maroike ya na agwa. Is it because I've been keeping quiet all these years? You think I don't know what to do? Ogbuefi, if I do not see my daughter, Ogbuefi, if I do not see my daughter, I will come back.
Eh?
I will
come back.
Osnogin. Nekwayi igbaji ukwu.
I think this
I will come back. I will come back.
No one wanya. Tell the mother they here. Ochaka Omaka. Bugemo Nadwa. I will cut off your 2 legs and stuff them down your throat.
Greetings, Ogbuefi.
I'm still looking for my son. Do you have any knowledge of how to get him or where to?
No, I'm still looking for him. But I thought by now he should be back.
Well, I haven't seen him. And it worries me. But I know he's fine. A seer assures that he is fine.
Iche, I promise you. I assure you that I will find him and bring him home.
Ugochukwu, the only assurance I can take from you is the assurance of food and how to eat food. Any other thing right now, I cannot guarantee.
Iche, I will shock you. I will shock you.
You will.
Yes. I will look for him and bring him home.
Good. Well, I have a full basin of food waiting for you.
Ogbuefi, keep to your promise. I will find him.
That's okay.
The food, very important, Ogbuefi.
You have no problem about that. Well, anyway, yo. Hey! Gonna do. They're not that.
No, Nai. Your son took my love for granted and ran away with that girl. Who does he think he is? Eh? I am so beautiful. I am naturally endowed. Is he not blind?
Hey! Well, anyway, yo. Eh? Ta. Aga fanye nenu. Well, anyway, yo. Don't say anything you will regret.
Hey! I will never regret anything. No, don't say that. Hey! Chioma will never regret anything. I blame myself. Yes, I'm still saying it. But I cursed the day I fell for that your son. Yes, I curse it. I curse it. He will regret this. He will suffer. I don't blame him. I blame myself for bringing down my standard for him. Yes, I blame myself. But anyways, no problem. I will curse him and I'll curse him. I'll keep on cursing him. He should go and enjoy his curse love with his curse lover. Yes, I said it very well. And anyway, since I'm no longer welcomed here, I'm going to dust my leg. Excuse me.
Nkete kwa. Aji ife bu ezi. Hey! Aga ngo. Hey! Ke wi kputu. Or even kari butelu nwam. No wonder my son could not look her way at all. Ke ka ga-esi do ma kpọbata ode n'ụlọ. You bring this one into the house. Fire. Ewu.
You are now passing me by without greeting.
And who is talking? Ugochukwu, I don't owe you any greetings. Yes, I don't owe you any greetings.
Are you aware that my friend Afunwa is missing?
I don't care. If you like, let him vanish or disappear. I'm sure wherever he is right now, he is enjoying himself with Ifunanya. And you're here disturbing me. I refuse to be disturbed, okay?
Thank the gods that my friend did not choose you. Huh? Is this how you are?
Ugochukwu, I don't care about neither you or your friend. Chioma, I have so many rich men that are asking for my hand in marriage. I will go home and choose one of them. Huh? Yes, you heard me right. The only mistake I made was thinking that your friend Afunwa has eyes. So he should go and enjoy whatever he is with his cursed lover, because I've already cursed the two of them. And let me warn you, Ugochukwu, this should be the first and last time you will stop me to ask me about that your useless friend and her so-called girlfriend. Don't try it or else.
Look at this one. Look at this one opening eyes for me. Huh? I do not blame you. I blame Afunwa. But you see, Afunwa, you cannot hide from me. I will embark on a journey to start looking at every corners in this village. I must find you, Afunwa. Afunwa, I'm coming. Huh? You don't need start now.
That one will soon be ready.
Yes. Yes.
Careful.
Yes, it will soon be ready.
I am famished. I miss Nne, but I found peace here.
Same here. Amalicha. I just want you around me. I want you to be with me all the days of my life.
Me too. I want to be with you forever. I know they must be looking for us.
Let them continue to search. Let them continue to look for us. I just want to be with you. I just want to love you. I just want to be here with you. Okay? So,
yeah.
We need to eat.
I'm very, very famished.
I need to get more for food.
Careful. That one is almost done.
Where is this one? This one's almost okay.
But still I'm reaching out, hoping you can feel me. This forbidden love, yet painfully real. I'm calling Ifunanya
Hi. Ifunanya and Afunwa, come back to me. I'm tired of this trouble and trauma you're making me pass through. Ogbuefi, I will surely take my pound of flesh. You cannot continue to have your way all the time. Eh? Next time I pay him a visit, I'll bring him down.
Our hearts are tied together, but the chains still hold us down.
Ogbuefi, I'm here again, and I will not live without my daughter. Biko ponye mo nwa.
Akunne. Ejim chukwu abia ma yogi. Leave my compound and stop ranting like a mad dog.
Oh, whatever name you call me, I will answer. But please, give me my daughter. Biko.
Greetings, Ogbuefi. Ogbuefi, why you? I bring good news.
I know you. Amamge.
Yes, I'm everywhere. Ogbuefi, I bring good news to you. I know where your son and his love are.
My daughter. Ifunwa.
What?
Say what?
Ifunanya.
Yes,
my daughter.
Yes.
Where?
Ogbuefi, it is 2 villages away from here. But before we begin the journey, I need to eat first.
Food.
But I don't have strength again. Please, do you have bitter leaf soup? Huh?
Did you see my daughter? Ifunanya.
No, food.
Yeah? Ifunanya, did you see my son with your eyes?
Ogbuefi, with pounded yam, please.
Food, what? Eh? Hey, remember, come, let's go.
Chelugo ka amaliva imado onye deva. Onye akale wori. Did you see my son?
Well, if you know you used to have an chair, how did there?
Eh? Let me go and get my cap. I hope this is not something I'm going to do twice. If you ever try and take me on a merry-go-round, I will plug these your eyes. Later! Where are you going to get? Are you drunk? Hey! Oh, cow, panakuku. Come on, keep going. Don't look at you. Go on, keep going.
Wait, that is the horse.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. Yes, we are there.
Go now.
I know.
Hey! Chukwu kike kene o.
Son. So you are here.
No. Let's go.
Go, Chukwu. How did you know we are here? Father, please, we need our privacy. And we want to be left alone.
Yes. I agree that you need your privacy. But first, let us go.
No! We are not leaving this place. None of you is going to bundle us out of this place. You need to tell us what the problem is between you and Nne. Why are you refusing us from getting married? What have we done wrong?
Ifunanya, let's go home. Leave him to his father.
Mother, you heard him. He asked a question. And until both of you answer the questions, we are not going anywhere.
Yes.
Son, it is time to let the cat out of the bag. Because I don't want to lose you. Let's go. 40 years ago, or thereabout, I fell in love with a fair, fine, and pretty girl. I loved her. I cherished her. I wanted to marry her, so I proposed to her. She refused me. She refused my gifts. She refused my love. She refused my advances. She turned me flat out. Not long after, I had cause to travel out of the village. I went for a trade, on a trade mission. When I returned, I discovered my love in another person's arms. My most trusted friend, my best friend, was already marrying my love. I felt betrayed. I felt betrayed by someone whom I trusted. Someone who knew that the maiden in question was my girl, was a girl I had proposed to, was a girl that I was planning to marry. It broke my heart.
I am finding it very difficult to understand this whole thing. How does it concern the issue at hand?
The fair and fine and pretty maiden I was referring to is none other than she. And the man who betrayed me, my most trusted friend, was her late husband, your father.
What?
Let's go.
Mother, you are not saying anything.
I don't have anything to say. I never loved him. I never had any kind of feelings for him. I thank the gods that he said I rejected everything about him. I married the man I loved. My late husband was who I was in love with. But unfortunately, 7 years after he died, Wefi came and took everything my husband ever owned, saying that my husband owed him a large sum of money, which was true because I was aware of the whole thing. But the way and manner he went about it was so callous and suspicious. I had to leave our town. Up till date, I still suspect that he had a hand in my husband's death.
I did not kill your husband. I did not kill your husband. I am not a killer. I have never killed.
This is serious. So, what are we going to do now?
Son, we cannot solve this issue here and now. First things first, we must get home first.
For the first time I have agreed with you, let us go. If that is what you want, I cannot stop you. Just that I'm scared of Wefi. He's not really a good man. As for his son, I don't know if he's like his father, if he took after his father. Madam.
Mama, I do not know about that. All I know is that I love Afunwa so much. And he loves me too. I think it's best we leave it that way. And I believe Ichie has begun to retrace his steps.
Well, I can't stop your happiness.
Thank you. Don't worry about me. I will be fine. I promise.
That's all that matters to me.
Thank you.
Well,
Thank you.
whatever your decision is, I stand by you. I stand by it.
Thank you, Nine. What's a nine? Why did you go that far? Why?
Oh. Kedu onye ọ ga-abụrụ? Nwere onye ọ ga-abụrụ oti ọkpọ. Iwe. I was hurt. I was humiliated. Hey! Iwe n'ọnụma. Manam. If I had known what I knew today, well, maybe I wouldn't have gone that far.
That is true. But that is all in the past now.
Ebe ọ bụla ekwu, anọ m ya. Daba?
Thank you very much, Nai.
I will not cause you any further pain.
I am so happy. Thank you, Nai. Jebe mmazi onye gị ọzọ. Je gbata anụ n'ọhịa. This is for elders. Ọkụlakụ. Anọkwa nso. Onye? Anyị abịago.
So what do I owe this person?
I come in peace. I come the Kwanenu. Let us forget about the past. Let us forget about the bad blood. Let's bury the hatchet and start everything anew. Can we deny that there is something happening there? Can you deny it? Can we deny that there is something growing between these two people? Something flowering between the two of them.
I'm listening.
Ọ na-abụkwanụ mmadụ kwụrụ ọtọ, okwu ya akwụrụ ọtọ gbasasị ya. Mana mmadụ nọdụ anyị, okwu ya ọnụ. Chịkọ ọnụ. Akunne give me a seat. Ka anyị wee kpaa. Hey, nwa m. Enyego anyị oche. Were oche. Sit. Akunne. Ekene. Thank you for giving me. Biko kene. Onye mefio, ya mgbaghali, so mgbaghali ya. When somebody has hurt the other and begs for forgiveness, let him be forgiven. It is part of why I am here. Let us forget this rancor, this bad blood between us. Biko nem biko. You see that piece of land, that vast piece of land, which I dispossessed you a long time ago before you left Amangwe. With all the palm trees that are now floating, Akume, I return all of them to you. Kudo wechia. Yes. Yes. In addition to that, your house at Amango, which you abandoned and ran away from, that house is, it has caved in. It is disused and it is old. Your compound is overgrown with weeds. I sent in laborers to look at your compound. And they cleared it, rushed it, swept it clean. I have in addition repaired your hut. Yes. There are some other buildings I have added close to it. Akuma, return to Amangwe. By the time you return, I shall make available to you a sizable chunk of money. That should be enough to get you started.
For the sake of peace, for the sake of our children, and for the fact that you have realized your mistakes and apologized to me, I forgive you. I am sorry for everything.
Ezio.
I thank the gods for this reconciliation.
Oh yes. Oh yes. As a money mafia, Yambagale. I thank you. Thank you for forgiving me, for accepting the little things I have prepared for your return. The next thing we shall be discussing is the marriage right of these our children. That's why I say return to our mount where return. These children, I mean your daughter for instance, she has uncles, she has nieces, she has aunts, close relatives at Amangwe. Those are the people that will join hands and enter into this marriage right. Huh? Thank you.
We thank the gods for a day like this. There should be a special celebration for this.
One celebration is talking about a celebration. We shall have a celebration here. And we shall have a bigger celebration at Amankwe. Eh? Okay?
Obin, I am so excited that all of this drama is over. And soon, we will be together as husband and wife.
Omani-chan, you don't know how happy I am. I am the happiest man in this village right now. Finally, we are going to be together in peace.
So here, I am happy. It's over.
Yeah. This is for you.
For you?
Yes. I want you to go and get everything you need. I want you to look extremely beautiful on that day.
Obin, you've done enough already. I have enough clothes and beads.
Enough is not okay. You deserve the world. I wish I could go on and on to give you every day of my life.
This is just too much. What am I supposed to do with all of this?
Anything, just get anything. Get it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
My mother, I'm so happy that finally you're getting married to my love. I wouldn't have forgiven myself if I had stopped your happiness.
My okay. This is a new face, and we are fine. Yeah, these beads are beautiful.
Oh, this is the one I told you that I inherited from my mother. You will inherit it from me, and your first daughter will inherit it from you.
Thank you so much, Mama. This is nice.
I miss you. I miss you greatly. But the good thing is that I'm going back to my home.
Yes. That is the only way I can survive. Because I will always come to you at will. Oh my God. Please. Everything will be fine. You go.
The storms has passed, the skies are clear. No more shadows, no more fear. It is over now. The battles fought, the tears we've cried. Let this moment let's stand side by side with you. Yeah. Through the fire, through the rain. We have conquered every ounce of pain. Now the doors are open wide.
Onya, ndatu balanya va batago. No. Ewu nwa. Hey, my son. See, today you have become a full-grown man. Today you are married. You will start your own family. Why?
9.
No.
Thank
No.
you.
You remember the time I was chasing you? You were running. Thank God it's ended in happiness and joy. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Aye! It shall be well with you, my children. your marriage will be fruitful.
Ise!
You will get many children, males and females.
Ise!
You will train them and they will also help train you. Oga dilu numma dilani nchamma nangula. Amen.
The doors are open wide. No more running. No need to